Cantonment today as this Tiranga Yatra peaked. Those pictures are about 3:30 this afternoon when over 7,000 security personnel had been deployed at the Jammu and Kashmir Punjab border. There were platoons of police. The Jammu and Kashmir imposed section 144 of the CRPC at Lakhanpur. Tension escalated as the BJP workers moved down the Madhopur bridge separating the two states, ignoring the call made by Home Minister Chidambaram to abandon the march to Srinagar. Ladies, can I just step in here? Can I just step in here? I want to go back to our subject tonight. Coming back to you, Subhashini, in some time. Siddharth, I'm just coming to you. 1 minute. Jitendra Singh, coming to you. I want to ask you, Rahul Ishwar, that, it's one argument is it serves political purposes, and I'm going to go back to the question, how does it help me? Does it reinforce your faith in the tricolour, or is there a sense of satisfaction that you're making a point vis-a-vis the Yasin Maliks of the world who threw who cock a snook at you? What is the emotive appeal of the Tiranga Yatra?
2 points, Arnabji, very precisely. One, when an Indian feels shy or inferior in raising Indian flag in any part of Indian soil, then we are sure our hard-earned freedom is lost. Second point, as an armed Indian army, almost 2 years ago, when there was a conflict between Rahul Gandhi and Shiv Sena, I know even at the cost of hurting many personal relations, I was on Times Now itself strongly supporting Rahul Gandhi, not because I am a congressman, only because I am an Indian. I was vehement on BJP because they were playing hide and seek. But I had no reservation in saying that India first, then only any states. But that party which struggled for 100 years to raise the tricolour, right now is stopping the same tricolour, feels bad. So it is not reinforcing, it is shaking my entire belief in the Indian system, in the idea of India itself. I am appalled as a South Indian. How can there be a situation where Indians are stopped hoisting the tricolour Indian flag? It is a shock to us.
No,
so
but
you mean to
is
say
your
that
view,
almost
to contrary view to that will be,
argument.
1 second, contrary view to that, Rahul, will be that the concept of India is too large, too strong for it to be shaken so easily.
Then why did Rahul Gandhi went on a heroic ride to Maharashtra? Did he not have a very strong sense of India then?
Okay.
You might remember. Then remember, there was a strong sense of Dravidistan and a different state for Tamils here. We have overcome it. When we could overcome Punjab, Tamil Nadu and so many other secessionist tendencies, why not Kashmir?
Okay.
Kashmir is an integral part of India.
As I go to...
Let it be BJP, Congress or anybody.
Okay,
Let's raise the national flag.
1 second. Good point. As I go...
Do they need visas?
No, 1 second. Rahul... Yes, Rahul, okay. Since you're coming in, yes, go ahead. Who's your point to?
See, Arnabji,
Who's your point to?
Are they not Indians? Let them come from any part. Why is she talking like Raj Thackeray, who says, where people of other parts should have prior permissions?
I'm not talking like anybody.
And remember, I am from a state called Kerala, which is going to be the next Kashmir. Remember?
I'm also from Kerala. I'm also from Kerala. I'm also from Kerala.
I'm from Kerala, so
my mother is from Kerala. So what is the big
20
deal?
years down the line, you will say this.
No, why should it be the next
hoisting Indian flag is uncomfortable. Let us not hoist it.
That?
No,
where will it end up?
Rahul, I don't understand.
No, I
your
didn't
argument.
say that.
No, Rahul, 1 second.
I didn't say that.
1 second, Rahul.
I didn't say that.
Rahul, I don't understand your argument.
I did not say that.
1 second, Rahul, I don't understand you. You're making a demographic point, Rahul. You're making a communal point, Rahul. What's the point you're making here tonight? We are talking here about the flag.
I am not.
So
I am not.
So what's your point here? Can you just explain your point?
Arnabji, that's the reason why I said, please don't take it communally, whether it is Hindu or Muslim, BJP or Congress, that doesn't matter.
Right.
It is a national thing. National flag is a priority.
Right.
Like Gandhiji said, it is a flag where Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Parsis or Jews can die for, can live for and can fight for. And remember, it is not simply a flag. It is a symbol of India's territorial integrity, our authority, our constitution, our very own nationalism. It is the flag for which crores of people have sacrificed their life for.
So 1 second, let's be clear about it. I said there is competitive regionalism on one side, there's competitive patriotism on the other side. As far as competitive regionalism is concerned, of course there are people like Yasin Malik and the others who also, and I've said this consistently, I'm so Subhashini Ali and you will agree with me, they need to be put in their place. Simple.
Yeah.
Put them in their place. But don't get into this competitive game. Yes, Jitendra Singh
wants to
know.
Chief Minister is bringing them center stage all the time.
Let patriotism win.
Yeah.
What are you saying, Rahul?
Good.
If there is a competition between patriotism and regionalism, let patriotism win. That will be good for India.
Okay. Jitendra Singh, yes.
What you're indulging in is jingoism, not patriotism. Patriotism means love of your people as well, not just of territory.
I want to go to Jitendra Singh.
And if you stop getting obsessed with territory, but
understand what you say. I just
focus on people of Kashmir.
Kashmiris are also Indian.
Build linkages with them.
Kashmiris are also Indian. If somebody wants to go to Pakistan, they are free to do it.
Okay, now I want to go to Jitendra Singh, please. He's been waiting.
Rahul, that's a very stupid statement to make.
No,
one second, please. One second. Yes, Jitendra Singh. Yes, Jitendra
When
Singh.
Yasin Malik says it, you appreciate.
1 minute. Jitendra Singh, please. Yes.
Linkages with them.
Kashmiris are also Indian. If somebody wants to go to Pakistan, they are free to do it.
Okay.